Meaning of iambic.
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 Iambic. Iambic is a metrical foot in poetry that consists of two syllables, with the first one being unstressed and the second one stressed. This rhythmic pattern is commonly found in English poetry, as well as in the works of other languages. It creates a gentle, flowing effect that can be used to evoke a range of emotions, such as calmness, curiosity, or playfulness. Some famous examples of iambic poetry include Shakespeare's sonnets and Robert Frost's The Road Not Taken. Overall, iambic is a versatile and widely used form of poetic meter that has stood the test of time.